guys, thank you for watching another video. Starting the day off with a couple homies. We got a Dodge Red Eye, I believe. I don't know, but it's fast as hell. That's all I know. We got an S2000 in front of him and my M3. Today is a huge car meet. I don't even think I want to call it a car meet. It's probably like a car event. It's in Huntington Beach. It's called Cars and Copters. Every single car in the parking lot is gonna be over $2 million cars. It's freaking insane. So all we're gonna see today is a bunch of Paganis and LaFerraris and that type of level cars. It's gonna be sick. I can't wait. I don't even think they'll let us in the parking lot, but it's still gonna be sick to record. Whee! Don't pull me over, please. A lot of supercars, hypercars today in the vlog, so it should be cool. I think that Dodge Red Eye has like 800 horsepower. That's what he told me. That is freaking insane. I can't even imagine that. We definitely need to take a ride in that car today. He told me he'll give me a ride, so that'll be fun. Guys, hear how this thing sounds. It sounds so sick. All you hear is the supercharger. Oh my god, dude. All you hear is that supercharger. It's so freaking loud. Alright, putting some gas in, like always. But look at this dude's Hellcat Red Eye, dude. It's freaking crazy. I guess it's called a Red Eye, so it has a little red eye. On the freeway, all you hear is the supercharger. It's freaking sick. I actually want to get this color wrap on my M3. I think it would be so sick and gray. What do you guys think? This color on the M3. It would look so dope, dude. Then we got the SDK. Dude, I didn't even notice the color. It's not just white, it has like a rainbow to it. That's sick. I wonder if that's wrapped or painted, I don't even know.
That's Slicks and Hondas right there. Slicks and a whole bunch of Hondas and just...
Dude, that shit is insane. Guys, we made it. I already see a GTR, a Supra, RX-7. Casey? Bro, how do we run into him? I always run into Casey, bro. Oh, look at the cars in there. We found parking. We're like probably a mile away from the meet, but there's no parking whatsoever. Damn, dude. Those wheels look so good on that. Lamborghini Urus. We made it. The first cars we see are these Porsches.
Yeah, that gray one is fire.
That gray one is fire. Ooh, I see some Lambos over there. It's gonna be.
Your dad work on that helicopter?
Probably. Hey guys, I'm gonna say this right now. There's gonna be a lot of I want that car, I want But anyways, yeah, there's gonna be a lot of I wants and I needs in this video. I want this. See? Oh my god, dude. Full carbon. That's that real carbon too. Wow, dude, that's insane. Hamza's never seen a Pagani in his life.
Nah.
What do you think, bro?
Fucking crazy.
It's a literally spaceship, dude. Oh my god.
This fucking spec is fire.
Dude, the red guts. Holy. These cars are just insane.
Like the perfect spec, bro. This is shit you see in a video game, bro.
I literally feel like I'm in Forza.
Doesn't even look real.
Bro, this is a car that I probably will never have in my life. This shit is insane. God. Blue carbon fiber. Aventador SVJ. I've never seen one of these in my life. Damn, dude. There's so many cars already. Look at the airplane, bro.
Look at the fucking airplane with wheels, bro.
The airplane with wheels. Bruh.
Look at the glass under.
I know, it's literally a window on the door. That's so crazy, dude. Guys, I'm telling you, they're all $1 million cars here. And then we got airplanes too. Look how young this dude is. And he owns this car. Must be nice, bro. I think these two cars are owned by the same person.
All
he has
three?
two of them.
All four of them.
I think so.
And that one too.
I feel like I'm in Forza.
Oh my God,
You never see these cars. LaFerrari. The Ferrari, bro. That's so
got
sick.
the same one.
I think that's Drake's right there, bro. Fully tracked out Lambos. Literally race cars. Bro, imagine driving this on the street. Oh my god, dude, that's so sick.
Look at the back, look at the back.
It's so crazy to see a Lambo interior all gutted. Must be nice, bro. What? Those things are perfect, dude. Like, how is this even possible, bro? Full carbon fiber, everything.
Look at the front end, bro.
Everything is carbon fiber. Everything. You got the V12 in there. Again, everything carbon fiber. Which one would you take, Hamza?
I don't know, bro.
I like both, but I think I'm gonna have to go with the Lambo, dude.
Really? But that shit's crazier.
It is sick, but it's a Lambo. I like Lambos, guys. The new Huracans. They changed up the whole front end. Definitely need a Huracan in my life, guys. Holy crap. More carbon fiber, bro. Jay had carbon fiber on his wheels.
More carbon?
More carbon fiber, dude. I'm tired of seeing carbon fiber. There's too much. I think it's a demon, guys. That's it? This one is sick.
You're telling me you take this or that?
I think I would take this, dude. I like the colorway he did. That is badass. Guys, check out this interior. Full bucket seats. This is probably my favorite car here, to be honest, dude. 6x6. G-Wagon with 6 wheels. That's so crazy. You could probably run over anything with it. I think it's like $3 million too. That shit's huge. Tanner Fox's GTR. This thing is pretty sick. I've never seen it in person. That thing is so freaking loud. I did not think it was that loud. I want one, dude. I don't think I've ever seen a bagged Performante. Wow. That is so sick. This is literally goals, guys. That's like my dream car right there. A bagged Performante. That thing's badass. White on white
On red.
on white. Dude, I would dirty this interior in one day. Guys, is that Vin Diesel?
That's Dom. That's Dom.
That's Dom, bro. Crap, dude. Look how low this freaking R8 is. What the? I like his plate. No life in a freaking bagged R8. Dude, that M3 is so loud. This is the homie's car. Dude, look how crazy this thing is. He came from Pennsylvania. All the way to California in his wide body BMW. And I think he got the huge single turbo in here. Super fast. He says like what? 600? That's crazy. I need this set up in my E36. That's so dope.
The turbo's too big, it made itself fit.
Oh my god. you gonna pull over?
Here?
Yeah.
No, not yet.
The
Dude, the cop yesterday was
they're gonna hit your car, bro.
6 miles on the highway because there's a PA car, PA plate.
Yeah, the cops are not gonna like this car. Alright guys, we're heading out now. We saw a lot of cars. Too many cars. Me and Abs don't even want to see no more cars, dude. Like, my head hurts. So many Lambos, so many Ferraris, so many Paganis. Shit. That sounds good. That thing's so sick. Bruh. I want a turbo now.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit.